Through ang ating pong oras. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds for the final round. Okay, 52 lang for De La Cruz. Good for one.
Sabay, sabay.
De La Cruz, second attempt, wala. Ngunit nakana bola. Batuto, binigay kay kasama niya si Batuto. Mayroon ulit foul. Nag-revolve by Dagwan. Binigay kay Barrios. Last 35 seconds. For the final round. Okay. Naagaw ulit. Last 25 seconds. For 3.
Bantay! Bantay! Magpahal kayo!
Okay, ang ating final score, 50-45. And in favor of Central. Congratulations to all of you.